Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location in which you are. This is BWF Solicitors, Legal Hour with Magnitude. I believe wherever you are doing good and welcome to the program. Onyado for Ashwe for Iti for and then so you better trade abo ase wamaya dom na enkwapa enya yen say yedi na sidema no na yaka say yene ɔde adom no akyɛ yɛn na ɔde nnɛ yɛ akyɛ yɛn edwumadi a efiada bia yɛde ba ma akwan ne nso so yɛnya ahoɔden na yɛde ba sɛnea monim no edu efiada biara yɛtutu yɛ anam sɛ nneɛma a ɛɛsensen ɛɛkɔ ɛwɔ efidie so anaa emie mu obi bɛka sɛ hwɛ trading issues a nkurɔfoɔ ɛwɔ immigration mu litigation mu family law mu ɛne nea ɛkeka ho no na yɛde anam ɛde mmirika akɔfa bi aba na yɛde abɛto yɛn lawyers akɛseɛ nim sɛ yɛndwendwen ho ne yɛmpɛnsɛmpɛnsɛ mu na yɛhu kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛn nso yɛnya saa nimdeɛ no a yɛbɛyi so na yɛn ho ɛhenhan yɛn ɛne nti no megye de sɛ woba so a wobɛsoso bɛdom yɛn na wahyɛ program no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a agorankora biara a ɛwɔ baabi a ɔno nso bɛnya bi na watumi ahwɛ megye de sɛ ɛbɛyɛ nkɔmmɔdɛ metwa me ho sima bɛba sisia.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Mesan adawasi bio me ma wakwa ebedwumedie so megye de sɛ obi biara ɛho yɛ mesrɛ mo me ma me hu show na mo share program no program na ɛho hia me mo share ekrom ha yɛ we to de bia no ma bebree na ɛba yɛ akwan mu nso na yɛ nim kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛne efikasie mu a kɔtɔm yɛbɛka sɛ home office for ebedi nkɔmɔ wɔ ho na yɛ ho ehinhan yɛn na ɛba ne saa yɛtu anamo etutu kɔ ho lawyers na ɛba ne sɛ wakɔ ho lawyer na kyerɛ sɛ lawyer na ebegyina ntɛmu ɛde ama wo ne wo home office edwumadie yi enti yɛwɔ BWF Solicitors edwuma kɛseɛ baako a wɔ UK kurom ha ɔmo na yɛnya ɔmo resource personnels ɛnɛ deɛ special day yɛnya 2 of them a yɛne ɔmo ɛba bɛdi nkɔmɔ na ɛyɛ me de yie saa nso na me nso megye di sɛ wɔn nso w'ani bɛgye ho nti mesrɛ mo ani die mo monhyɛ program mo a moaba so nyinaa mommɔ mmɔden a ɛnhyɛ program no na ɛnkɔ akyikyikyikyi ɛmma yɛn sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a obi biara bɛnya yɛn nso atie yɛwɔ BW radio so BW radio wobɛnya no wɔ yɛka ne sɛ wokɔ radio garden anaasɛ modern Ghana radio ne so a ubenya uko internet ne so kra na u type BW radio ubeti yenka sisi a ye kasa ye stream live ewo ho sanso na ewo BW TV nso BW TV say na o hwe bi bomodia na ye America eko YouTube ne so YouTube ne die ye see o hwe wo ho a eye fankasa aye say o ka program ne ho nti mo ne wo YouTube ye wo Facebook your Instagram, your Twitter, all the media platforms in Nara, your so into Bomodia trap, I know if you may dear one sa and kebi. And I mean, can I see, did say, Ubiara, who you view. Near Etienne say, and then your resource person, you know, and Kwana, and your mother did come at a mabia ye. You were, near Bema, in lawyer Patrick himself. And I saw ye lawyer Kakransa honestly did a lawyer Deborah and said no ye the omumi no ever Deborah sorry omumi no ever be dim come away to medium na me sha se na me de nchia kese e de amom na afei ma be introduce and the topic aye wa ye pese e to da e de mama se mo nko so ana mo share program e mama e da masi lawyer Patrick good morning.
Oh, hi. Good morning, Manye. I hope so here, and I'll pay.
I don't
Great. Nyamiadum, Yina, who pa, Yame, so kakra, yeah.
You, but me tomorrow na fancha kasi MIT for ne ahwefo na afedi me introduce me next guest and also na also Indi Musa and from my Wadaroma.
Okay, great. Nti yes, for your mamunyina ache anope so. Ene ifiada whether no mo nyunu kakra. Nti ye beka ye ho hye na yahwe mmra no mu de ekoso. De ema applications no etoda etumi delay kakra. Ene de ye betimi aye ama se decision beba ye nsa betimi aka no ntem. Nti yes, akwanya wo ho ye mamu nyina kwaba ye hope se mo beto nsa afre afoforo na aka no na omotimi adjoin yen on this very important subject and anopay na ye nyina ye de odo abodom atimi asua de so yes manye pacho kakra ewo ho no
You like Patrick nyame shira obedasi for na ahwefo Mr. Munkoso na mo hihye man na agema good morning michiao mi gidi se won so ho ye yo your next guest ye unya no if you kesi so ye lawyer Deborah enti good morning lawyer mpacho obeyi wo hedi kakra na wo de ncha kesi ameti for na ahwefo.
Good morning, viewers. My name's Deborah, and today I'll be offering you a summary of what Lawyer Patrick will have to say today to educate all of us. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Bro, so, viewers, just as she said, she's going to introduce some few bits about what's going on. Sometimes we have issues that we need to discuss, and we don't get a chance to talk or discuss that in the English version. So our lawyer with this sweet voice is going to do just that for us. And yet, you share your air corner. Nyama bebree na ya na ban immigration sama etututu ye. Nanso no yenso ya sitena mu aye wo no. Ye wo ho a obehu ana bibi kan abaya ya brabo mu. We be see na yenya changes in circumstances and I say situation mu aye wo no na bibi kan asesa. Nti ba ne sa na seba se wo as individual no woni home office etu anamon bi. Say wo ye wo document wo ye wo change your status say immigration say ye kind of saying litigation say your family law say any form of we be can application bia only home office aye na wo document wo mo nsem anampo say wo saka wo document no say eba ne say bibi ba wa brabo mu a eye wa said say wo na o sign ekokatro mo say home office foi em say me dey kan ye my application na me wo ye sisi ama wo akwala ba ma brabo ana say enye wa said omo hwehwe mu a em say sometimes omo check ni omo e baba na say bi omo hwehwe mu na omo nko hu say asem esi aye ne nkrata ma ni wa wo ana na tre say say changes be about our brabum enya won kwa it could be say afi no wa ware it could be say empo sabi obi kra na amrano action wo kwan bi so na yede na akwa akotu efiase ana say bibi just say anything at all ye kan your lifestyle ho ana kan ye kan ya brabo ho no embia na ebi ato wo kwan so na eba ne saa was say ukobo mama ne ana nti ene yen topic na ye be discuss ne would I have to and I said do I have to inform the Home Office about changes in my personal information and as circumstances? Now, Sebani said, if that is what I have to do, quite ben na me faswa me to me send your musa changes, you know. But before we do that, I'm going to invite Lawyer Deborah now. On me and Billy can anchor a few bits about the updates, the earlier mentioning of Lawyer Patrick topic or the buyer now.
Yes,
Then our main topic. So, Lawyer Deborah, please welcome again. Can you please explain a few bits about what you said earlier on to the viewers and the listeners?
Well, there's no particular updates per se. There's no particular updates.
Oh, no, all right. So that's, thank you. Yo, okay, any topic in this, so now, yen waste time crying so lawyer with the Lawyer Patrick me to mount you be some say kwan ben na me fa so or say me de insisan bia aba ma brabo mo me de ma Home Office now ayem bia nso no whilst you explaining that maybe see a few questions bia ebebe mu na yetumi ama etie for enya ntiase mu yi mpacho wadaroma.
Right. Yo, a tip for Ebema Munina Akwaba Bium onto this wonderful platform. One would say Shiawaha addition usually is and that is not different from the other days now, Yenimoshiano. Now, and you should be something very basic, but very, very important. Say, as I said, you to me a channel so now is Shian dear. Etasi say ye applications. Bi o ho why application na wi no na o twen say decision ebeba. Na ebia bibi asesa wo wabrabom. Now, eno na ye bisa say anyenye bia wo krom ha. Why anaso say ya ma BRP ana BRC. The difference between a BRP and BRC no and yet so much. BRP no you be a Yamano assistant under the UK immigration rules no. So Yamao assistant Yamao card, sa card na Yamao no. UK no your friend of BRP, biometric residence permit. And then moye EU for ebusian for no enye EU ni na nkasa. Moye EU for ebusian for no. So, my application na ye decision ye ma card as well, but sa card no your friend of biometric residence card. So that is just the difference between the two of them. And you know, yes, so you be a application na ya ma a BRP and also BRC, and also say application now will change decision from the Home Officer. Then, as I say, BB Sisa wa brabo mua, as I say, will catch the Home Office for. Now, omutimi ya aware. Now, a near ma, as I say, will catch the omono, it depended on the assistant wa brabo. So let's take, for instance, why your application at the Home Office. Oye koye no na ote number 1 Downing Street. But since our application, no, we move from number 1 Downing Street at the court number 10 Downing Street. It is number 10 now, but who update Home Office for? So they don't know say what number 10 is here a move free number 1. Yen shenonson. In situations ebi our application no enya one kasa na oye because we know say through yen church ye any addition into no ye mu bebre to meet na fie eye applications, which is fine. it means that the no musua there, and it's great. Nti yɛmfa ne sɛ wa na woyɛ saa application na then ɛho bɛhia sɛ wobɛ update home office na yɛbɛka the effects no later on. Nti yes ɛho bɛhia sɛ wobɛma home office ayɛ aware sɛ since a woyɛ saa application no bibi say asesa sɛ yɛ lawyer na ɛyɛ ama wo a in a particular case as a firm no normally what we'll do and say say your application na there's a section ebisa say postal address no den just so that we are able to be on top of that case no na yetimi I responded to correspondence from home office efficiently and effectively ni timely no what we do no say yeah the business address postal address said the beya bibia home office here bia no obetro yen rather than say obetro eno no timi buama say bia unifie na ya tro letter bi na onsa nka amayetumi I respond immediately and also say bia na ote shared house not letters aba na bibinti odi akwa akoyira na ebiso na the home office airtro ebisa na ehu hia because there's been occasions omitumi throw back to request for further evidence in support of your case again your email schedule said the beya say nye throw no mo throw by post edi aba na emom almost send the email ye nsabetimi aka ntem na ya responded to it. Bear in mind, so we email any of the asheswa. So almost send this email ne ba. Ebetimi akọ ho. Ye nyina enim say nye nipa bebre ene wo adaje a ode ko checking the email every minute, every hour, every day, every week. However, yen as a business there, you know say PC no wanim or access to information na eba say you send you email ebe ring a bell amawate na alert to that email until you know say obi application and you hear further evidence and say information you send this email to the brewer obetimi I responded to say email no timelessly. Now bear in mind say usually no say home office send a request for further evidence and answer documents what time restrictions sometimes because obetimi anka say SSSA eniema ya mi bisawi and I said request ya mi ye or respond to sa request no within 10 working days and I said within 24 working days. It means that SSSA wo yes sir. So one yes sir there were implications wo ho. Ebetimi ama ya reject your application no and also say ebetimi ama ya refuse your application no. So this is what we do as a firm. I don't know about other law firms. But yes, so one now your application, then bear in mind say ebe here say obe update home office for. And also says a lawyer na area amount and ode ne business address aye postal address ebe here say obe informo o solicitor no because bia na ono so obe throw e de bibi abrel na because was address na one continue na call old address no ebe tumi ama delays aba ebetimi ama se o biometric card and ye issue near de brewa ubetimi lose sa card then you would have to go through the process again to obtain another one na ebetimi cost to sikasoso. So that is that. Now changes ni bi wo ho a se si wo wabrabo ma eye mandatory say esese o katre home office. So mandatory no is Bibia yeka say you must do this. Into no again na mandatory say SSN okatre home office for. Number one, say why application. Now since our year application no ebia udi assessor. So first, ni efra Abigail Mensah. But ene wa worry ama udi Abigail Mensah no assessor Emma de Abigail Mensah Kodua ababeka ho. Se sanete dia na esese hu se esese update home office for na omo ya we se since oye application no udin assessor. It is very also important say ube notice say So udin asesa na wo biometric card ne dada and I say BRC ne dada then a very important say obema home office for aya aware because sa BRP and I say BRC na ukuta with the old name no ebetimi abeye invalid because wasesa udin na so wasesa udin so na BRC no any other documents no entalia which means that utukwan obetimi enya nsunsuaso so wo babaka yes wo ko ukroma ya nyina nim se obi ansi ukwan se obekọ ukrom but se wo babaka eho na ya problems no ewo because the ewo system no so any the ewo documents no so no ni nyina no entally enyepe nti esa na ma adwenimpo bi abase ebia wo sa nipa onye the same person no nti eho behia se eno so no obetimi aba wo mo amane ebiso wa na facial features asesa facial features no eden na yeka obi wo ho a nanim da ho kama yentete nanim but ebia na bibia ba amane ne yamamre African culture bibi ntino yesi o esese yeti wanim kakra esese ye we kakra na ye de hye wonso se saa bibi sa si a it means say again we situation na sesa nti photo a usually uko biometric appointment you twa no saa time na you twa no na bibia enna wanim basisi ye hu se watu kwan akwa aba ama ye the mark ato wanim anase ye bibi e de ato wanim because of tradition anase because of cultural background so sanity there again as I say we form home office for the other thing is on nationality so on nationality assessor again a idea as I say no so informal home office for there's one thing and also very important that is gender ebia your community the ebia na intense say ye bibi sa but as I say a no so say ene we male additional we female again as I say oma home office for a year where say na esi ewo wabrabom and also so ya idea as I say ye no so say o yes san sachre na as I say ko home office for website .gov.uk /change of circumstance ./BRP na ukoye sa changes no ewo honom ubetimi so ene o lawyer kasa na waye sa changes no on your behalf now so wanye sa nema we nyina think say in my representation no maka enema ne bia ebetimi affect you ebi the fact say bia so once those details no na you make it decision or application no more it may mean say you best send the decision no e dey call the wrong address na emma on sanka ebetimi a delay application no because oma the right information into ebetimi a delay application no ebetimi so ama you refuse application no because e bia oma the correct information so what to kwan na wo ba eno so betimi ama or how kakra aba betimi anya delays ene you say 2024 December the 31st no yen BRP any BRC ni nyina no ye de ni nyina abekọ online which means say information and say with details so personal details assessment na wa ma home office for anya aware na yes switch here e betimi akoso problem I have an instant case client yaje family permit aoba na husband I say okofa no every airport no na wasesa na address so this was not related to the home office but then they knew it because they are able to do checks with Royal Mail and the postal services to see all of these things. They're able to do credit checks on your credit file to see all of these things into movement bia wuye bia no uja footprint into uja footprint so or data so they are able to assess it and see what you've been doing with your life. Into your fan say wakoje credit card waha wakoje debit card waha wakoye high purchase waha ni nyina wuye ni nyina no ye bisa wo details udin address baby a wote how long you've been there and all of those things. Into ni nyina wo de ma omo a ye bibia home office obetimi access it. So this is how they got to know that this person, even though during the application, na ose oteha no, and they are all before the year airport, ose oteha. But they knew that. But then this person was able to talk their way through how come they were not able to inform the Home Office at that very particular time. So this is fine. There's been very important thing going on with the Ghana High Commission, which I want to commend them for that. And I don't know yet a phenomenon about your dia, your throw or your birth certificate, so any your passport, so any other ID documents or documents are away your demo. So obi ohwa ube unse ni din your friend Michael Mensa, but then you try now you throw Mensa Michael, then you don't know say way na ya surname and now way na ya forename, and that is creating a lot of problems. Obi so ohwa or British passport and I said driving license edin ya throw wo mu no uhwe edin na ya throw Abigail Kweku Mensa, but okuta eye Ghana passport ya throw Abigail Mensa wo. Bear in mind, so what na wako renew o Ghana passport na, you should be able to demonstrate say wo osimesi obenten wo na wo Abigail Mensa no, and now say wo na wo Abigail Kweku Mensa no. Very important because edin say na edin say dia na Abigail Kweku Mensa and Abigail Mensa, they may not be the same person necessarily. Into SSR Ocean so. And for that, I think it's very good. It's creating a system, a secure that. It means that Obia Keke, and to me, and sorry, Precope, and call Ghana High Commission, and call cancer, ye mano Ghana passport. No. So, Ufi say a one pa, then you have to evidence that. Because, and to me, Kobase, o birth certificate, ekuta ono, ya troso Samuel Yabuabeng, and then o Ghana passport no ya tromu Samuel Boabeng, and then o British passport ekuta no ya tromu eye Samuel Kweku Boabeng. Ese ni nyina no utimi chirechire mu dienti a sa difference in names no for the same person no ewo ho se de be ya unsabetimi account passport. Enye yenkwa as a country and as a commission and as a mission no ena eye bear in mind se de be ya okudu o china bi na ye ka se we ento asumu koye bibi na fa kan fa di adanse a wa ma Anko Basa Ghana for any time when it debut. There's been instances even with HMPO, Her Majesty's Passport Officer, for aye applications they are called now birth certificate no a dear was no can be fufro, and then a dear a application form no so no a can be fufro. A dear a word document maybe GP's letter, an access school letter no, and also so can be fufro. It is not really right say ubenyasa as a so to me yes certain a dina we use so ye nim say ye kromo ye throw dina na o bia o middle name about first na o surname and then o first name nti obia ye friend no Abigail Kweku Mensa no ubeuna aye Kweku Mensa Abigail na ye hu insunsun edem say eye Mensa no na ye first anase Abigail no na ye first. Ni nyina no ya ade a ebetimi create problems for us. Nti esese ye hye no nso na ye yesa niema na yetimi eboa na ye ni ye. So yes, manye, it is very basic but very important information ye share this morning with the community, and I believe they will take this very seriously and update the Home Office in changes in their circumstances. The other thing we didn't mention, which is very key, is if, say, for instance, what committee any criminal offense, and also say, be who dependents, be no more under 18 now make the application, but now they are not. Until they are flying their own nest. Until changes but I would advise speak to an expert, speak to a lawyer, or obetimi. For instance, what committee crime be na inform Home Officer. I think it's very important. Say onye bibisa by yourself. Speak to a lawyer so that they can map up a strategy. or pending application you be refuse and also say you make a decision that you bet me every vocal a year will BRP and I say BRC in manye.
Okay.
Oh, just before I wrap up with that, I think so quickly I will chip in with the EU nationals. So me can EU nationals are again almost family members, but the EU nationals na nkasa. Ufri Belgium, ufri Holland, ufri Germany. Munyano. So we EU settlement scheme now. Usually what happens is say, o the ID card and I say o passport any. So bear in mind, so since then no, o passport newu. Na wakwa akwaje foforo from a home country na eno na wodi di akoniaba again esese o update home office with a new document enye sa ubedu your port ho a eno so ubenya problems. Yes, you may eventually be allowed to come in, but then ombetimi a delay o nti esese eno so ye share no so manye.
Hey, well, yeah, somehow it looks like you've answered most of the questions that I planned asking you. Well done. And Lawyer Patrick, why are there, Pana? Yeah, can you say before I forget? No, the last but one there, okay, say Indiana, why criminal convention, bina yamao. Wabrabum bibi about wabrabum na one country. Oh no na afei ama me dream question bi ho kakra on say ba ne say bia bibi sa to a sometimes cramp no wo no particular to no em bi kra on kai mpo say was say and I say wo kobo home office amanye say so hwe say na wa kom nti no wo situation say na tie enti se banisa sisia no wacheche mu nyina se o se me bom amane waka name change and so say obi dino that's the name order senior na you put name 4 names and then the surnames no you put them together no de bia yenya ho nsunsuanso eno nso mo question ba ko ho na answer na me bisa no person me bisa baby kakra ewo sa convention no say banisa wo no kwan be na o say wo fa so na wo nkobo home office amane say home office free say who can say bia go to .gov so na bo say BRP no abo BRP nti say any questions e be ba na and e be drop down wait to me aye but whereby you have this case bia why who conviction and I say bibia na wakodem kakra no aba eno no ehon so na hemfa na wokọ ohwa na o say wokọ and I say bi fufuro say wo acho
Bibi fufuro bia ni ho ese wo ye ni nyina no e wo the same portal so into ukọ sa portal no so a de wo hwehwe so be fill in change of circumstance application e wo sa portal no so into sa form no na esese o complete e dey inform home office for of the particular change aba e wo abrabom into yes manye gov.uk/change change of circumstances dash BRP eno enesese okoso na oye na otumi the esesa any details the complete address no different from the complete change in your personal circumstance any details na yaboboso earlier no but ni nyina no the same portal so a obetimi aye manye.
okay yeah that's it Lawyer Patrick watch it mu ya ma yen ho afa yemba edin ne so na ensisaye no yenim say to de bia o change udin a senia o tretre mu sa name order no embia na ye fro bi Maria Asante Boapon enso no obehu okwa akoye ne akoye Maria Boapon Asante ntia ya na yehu which one is the surname and which one is the forename and as a middle name na eno no one birth certificate na akoba ne say ne passport nso no ya sesa no ye say eba ne sa na utu kwan wo de unim na utu kwan no ma stop wa say if they find out say bia edin no miense nyina e wo birth cert so just say wo passport ne so na ya sesa na eno nso me didi say be ha wo port ho no mpacha ntisa.
Of course, yes, manye. Ebetimi create problems somehow, yes.
So in that case, no so per se o arrange or say no nkoye deep pool. You name say when you want to do change of name, deep as change of name. But this one, we say we dey omo mistake no mo asesa the same name but mo asesa but so we say we ya sana na en correspond there. Obetumi akwa akoye depo no correct name no. Ana eno dey hia say no asa obefre home office ana obekọ name circumstance dey be out share port ana out share na wa throw din no the right way at no e dey amom and I say you have to back that with your deed poll no mpacho.
Okay, so deed poll no in a situation wasesa wodin. It is a one sesa wodin then you don't need to do a deed poll. Nti no the air can say nipa na ya throw ni din e was a particular application form no so and I said document na ya throw no Mensa Abigail Yeboah no or you the same person as Abigail Mensa Yeboah. Nti no onye nipa mienu but or the same person. Nti se sa na tie dia then ubetimi afele in sa change of circumstance form no se bia ekoso problema na wa mama ya we say wo documents are bear the name Abigail Mensa Yeboah no ene udin a ewo wada ID mu eye Yeboah Mensa Abigail no ensusu bi enem eye nipa ba kuna again ubetimi aye affidavit e de atoso e de atrese saa nipa yi or the same person as obeso statutory declaration to declare say indeed this person is one but the same person. Even though a dino senior or birth certificate so ya trono Mensa Abigail Yeboah na o passport mu ya trono Abigail Mensa Yeboah no enye nsunsuye eye nipa ba akona na edisa na emum ebia ne ntro yemu no na akwakoba no sa but nsunsuye bia ennem and then you can say okay say na me pese moye no and as say na me pese free na eko you refer me to nti obi a wo din be se miensa o British passport mu mienu pe na wom but o birth certificate no so no miensa ni nyina wo so na e de confusion kakraba ye hu se wo na wo birth certificate no so na say wo na wo British passport no se ni nyina no eye wo de a again yes ubetimia aswear statutory declaration to declare say ampa ni mienu no nyina ye wo but e bia from henceforth no upese the what passport no mu no ene ye de frel nti e no na upese o mu use however ni mienu no nyina no eye wudin a oje so manya.
Okay, so the statutory declaration and make it different. I've got a situation here where you can say the pakone can say or British Ghana High Commission say okoye ni passport. Now, ne woman said the best set no the din a ye de to no na wo for e ma ne din tintin be ye edin enum nko anegu na wo da no na wo birth certificate ne so sorry me train na here birth certificate ne so when she was doing the passport now she wrote all the names on the birth set to the Ghana High Commission but then he said after some time when they were processing the document they called him say the name given no edoso dodo. So is there any way obetwa so ede amom na which one will he prefer say omufan to ni birth set ni passport ni mo emano. So I think say ni pakuno agree say okay out of the 5 na momfa emumiensa say ede to so. Enti a phone conversation and a phone communication and a omunya santi as an omudito so. And it Ghana passport number, but senior kobaye no, and any British passport, dina or no or they call ye na omu to me ye ma a day no money na a basso na kwaye a dear me no. And she said, a banny say, oh, the 2 pound na say, on paying 2 pound, senior white treats him on so bet to me, ako, no aquaco, yes, statutory declaration, I say, Miani usimesisi, any miani usimisi, but your sessa no watch him.
But yes, nti sani pakro no yes, obetimi ayesa because bear in mind ukuta British passport I say a friend will say, ukuta Ghanaian passport and also say a friend will say. Now I understand the logic behind the entire yede a passport mienu etukwan because say wo ko ukrom Ghana because say you ukrom nti no unhia say obeje visa na wo de akọ. Nti Ghana passport no very important because it save you a bit of money. So obekwa queue na wakɔgye visa na so obetwen sɛ visa mra no ofa Ghana passport no so long as it's valid no yes o de ko ukrom nti u ko ukrom a bia nhia sɛ obecheck o. Then when you are coming back to the UK again ɛsɛ sɛ utimi demonstrate kyerɛ Ghana immigration service for sɛ ekrom ha na wo ba no o wa asetena wa ha. As I say, ultimately demonstrated to the airline now, all found so say, a chrome na all bano, or assistant, and that is where your British passport becomes handy. Inti, o the actual almost say, who quite say, Obahano. But Uba Beduhai, Yahu say, o passenger information now, or the mine, as a dina or the aman, in Susian Kakra edited them. And that is where ABA Ubedua, a bit me create a bit of a problem for you. So with that, say what make it a declaration, and answer change in circumstance application, what fairly be, Eddie Achich, say, ena aba, into saying tina, ebia me Ghana passport, no, edia, a woman, in Susie Kakrabi, ewa hon to dear, a what me British passport, no, na yeninaya ya we say, okay, this is the reason why, intia, ebia sa difference, no, ewo ho. So the beya ukuduwa, yen delay, yen se wadaje, now what me smooth entry back into the UK, manya.
Yeah, that's say. Maybe some question I am so corner. As time goes on, I'll be asking it till for national for say I feel no journey. You will BWF solicitors for legal hours so na iguswa ye o share na topic I hear discussing no kwanya obefa so say any changes be about wa bra bomu a obe home office for amane ese ne be ya titiro eba na akwantu mu na ukona wo ba saa changes no ankoye hintabia bia ama ewo kwan so na oba bedu asomdue mu nti eno na yeguso a ye che enye nemu nko na ye discuss we I think we've talked few things about other circumstances ebo embia wenya criminal convictions and I say embia we change your address na one home office for amane embia almost send you document no na akodu baby akopie baby for and yet change of address and kwa ebi krampo na woma oni omudi kan krata na so ye document call home office no na nsinsan aba nyame adom omonyi na efi wo nchen ti no obehwa obese omonso aye independent on their own nti eba ne sa wo as parent no kwan be na also say ubo home office amane ese sisi ano mankume na menkwala no nyame adom omonso ati omo ho omonso live their individual lives na ade it is anyo man kitinkite ya na it doesn't occur to us you say ye o sa kan we na no ano no until thy kingdom come but as time goes on our life no koninim no nyo man kitinkite bi eba ya brabo mu a say or say a home office for and I say even say home office for I think say these people your friend is saying omo motititi and taxi from say yeah omonso or say also so to me omonso amane na ade even though you so omonso no omo ye can say up to date information oba no nyanya 16 years na obe hu na omo ankasa tro because they have the data no ewo omo system ewo mu enti no be send o say oba ne say we do baby a otumi ekope adwuma ye ne ade but it's not always the case. No many do or say wo na wo mama ni nti se wa beto ya eno na e discuss ene na mesa idi do me wo pese wo friend na wo bisa question be either concerning the topic that we are talking about and now say be before concerning all the expertise now more expert areas now more na find that ho say wo betumi ebisa nti na ma no egu etwa wo hwe on YouTube a etwa wo se wo hwe on Facebook a e wo ho e 0208-123-1016 and I say 077 399208468 and also ubetumi afre na wo de wa manebo and I say a question up say ubisa no na wo de aba sanso na embia na wo frɛ no baby awo no untumi nkasa na o se okote baby na ye voice note and I say bimpo a wo frɛ untumi nremu a ubetumi a voice note aba 075-966-20154 so sami can voice note me pa say call WhatsApp page so on this particular number no na click ne jam message tia na fabre betumi abama wo na lawyer eyiwa no na yenyo odofom na nka bepese yenua ba Debra so obibi kakakra na nka onka betem say yenya phone calls here. My next question me tie no na afedie yemfa yedwumedie no so ento aso odofo a waba ho maso me ma wakwa
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Pacho, we the one way room na wamanie.
Like good morning.
Oh, hello. Good morning.
Yo, man, Pacho, more questions me. First one, no yet something to do with Ghana card. The Pacho said, oh yeah, Holland near. Because Holland for no more allow dual nationality. So me Ghana in answer cross Holland nationality. So me call Ghana. And now I'm who can say me Ghana card. And now say me to me. Patch of my question back on. Second one,
Pacho, hold on 1 minute. Osi Belgium for no omo allow and also omo allow
Holland omo allow dual nationality. We Holland national. Omo allowed to be hold any other nationality.
Okay, so okay, that's fine. All right.
Or your passport, Ghana passport, no be any amount nationality.
That's fine.
And I may do something. In this case, you know, the call Ghana meeting me at Ghana card. 17 means were a whole implications in this thing.
Okay.
Semagibia.
Okay.
The second one is basically how long it takes you when your application is refused and later appealed and allowed. How long does it take for them to actually give you the visa?
Okay. La Patrick, Mpacho Wadaroma, Yenua Bema, any question or the Abetujana?
Right. Okay. So I think, sir, in asking the question, somehow on one kasa answer, and this is why. What you can catch from the onset, obisa question, no, sir, omomu krom Holland, sir, oye Dutch national, omo ma kwan e ma hold another nationality. Inti sir, okoho as obia watu bata no akoho ukodu na o time so se be ma passport a ye je wo other passport no free unsem because omo ye kura omo ye ninkum twifo ekuro nti omo twi kura pa nti omo mpese omo ne obia be share omo citizens nti wo ye Dutch national eno an se wo ye Dutch national untimi mfa bibi foforo encounter. And that is why Yamana relinquish ne Ghana passport. No. Bear in mind, say, o Ghana card no serve more or less the same purpose to say o Ghana passport. No. Now, it is a sanet here there. Na ukoji Ghana card. It's more or less as if say ukuta Ghana nationality as well. Say, opese move back to Ghana there. I don't know what Mukrumu home rano eka, but I would be not too far from the truth in saying, sir, pese obe relinquish sa o citizenship as a Dutch national no na wakwa fa bibi foforo e de aton so sa na wo pena. Senye sa dia ene na sa akra twen na e wo ho no. I think say ebe koso atwaso, which means say wo ko Ghana, yes, because say we Ghana ni no, say wo pese wo ko Ghana national ID card a yensi hu kwan. The first say wo nkuta passport no doesn't mean say onye Ghana ni. No, we Ghana ni because we Ghana ni by birth. Ibi awa wo fo no mienu nyina e Ghana for. It makes you a Ghanaian without even the passport. Nti yes, say wo ko na say wo pese wo ko your national ID card na. Yes, say kwanya wo ho a yensi wo kwan na emom no say wo de ko wo krom ho a de na wo krom for no ebeka in respect of you having assumed another nationality. And no problem wo be face. The answer to that no, I'm not able to give you that. The omobeye e Holland because I don't know Holland law. Until I cannot give you the answer to what they would do. Now, with the second question no. So, your application you refuse you, and then you appeal against it. Now, we need sa appeal now. Then the Home Office would have to implement it. Your case be to say boafo. Ni nyinaa no spell it out say say omo implement that decision no as soon as possible. Home Office one kasa policy and also so kyerɛ sɛ yɛyɛ appeal against omo for a decision. Now that appeal no has been successful. So omo anko anko appeal against that decision ne dia. Then omo duty say omo implement that decision no as soon as possible. And they are say intense for a reason. At the moment, you can't be on this platform, any other platforms, so the Home Office itself, as an institution, they are really very stretched. Into nipadodo a kakrebi. Applications now a lot, including backlog from COVID time. And the attention on Ukraine, any Russia war, ama applications ni bebree delay. So na implementation process no is delayed. Ebi it take even way beyond 6 months to get something from them. And then they get back to say, okay, we are on it. But eventually, you will get it. Whether it takes a year, whether it takes 6 months, you will definitely get your visa and come back. Say your family permit, yes, so your extended family member, you will not lose that right. You will still get your family permit. You come to the UK and you would be able to apply for a residence card once I wababiduha. And I think said the other time I mentioned it. Sisiano omaye a new department for more move free outside the air banner. Said the bear ombetimi expediting applications. So this is what is going on. It is a free outside now bar. The likelihood say ombetimi decision within a week. Just about 2 weeks ago, I've done one for a client. Within 1 week, they've been granted omunyina ewa hanum. Yes, we appreciate the delays, but unfortunately, there's not a lot unless the Home Office can say omuko recruit nipa bebre at the account. Failing that, I think that these delays now it's something that beyond them at the moment. But
thank you very much.
Yeah, so that's it, Papa. So I said, yeah. Onya so yo 02081231016 and I say 07399208468. Wait to me. After Patrick here, well, voice note go. I mean, body quickly and Sana will be a boy Remona ENT.
Good morning, Manati. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Maybe I'm question here too. Where you about kakra? Maybe naturalization. Nah, last one I lawyer answer me, but still now no. As my a bit confused kakra sawa. Say me definite no. Me fan say 8 years muni. Now ba me worry no. I now so me fan say me definite no. Me na jawari. And I mean indefinite answer me jawari and must worry for floor. I'm worry for not some worry from the break it down some men. Now, me say me use spousal 3 years spousal requirement. Me use a honor application, and now say me use my personal life and find 5 years back requirement. Now, say me use 5 years now.
Lawyer, sorry, Pachawa also hold on. Say or Frel my WhatsApp. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Sorry, is it possible? I think may I know who is speaking, please?
My name's Jane. I want to speak to Irene. I spoke to her yesterday evening. Okay. I'm calling from Worthington Architects.
Okay. Sorry, I'll let her call you in a minute if that's okay.
Yeah, sure. That's good. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.
Sorry about that. It's a different sort of Fred with different thing. Okay, so Order for one, so Patrick, I'll play the thing again and say we frame no amana akko back. So me answer quickly in Papa was so but order for one man so my auntie won't come. Hello, good morning.
Make your lawyer kasa.
Patran Koso.
If I try my question, is what about for visit? Now say maybe say.
On raise your voice, Kakrama, me why?
Okay, if I show, so what about for visit? Now if I show way in visa who that's the if I say they will a man time, but pesa obeko na here assist na if I show kwanda and I'll be fast.
Well, yes, manye. Yes, nti yenu aba say aba holiday we krom ha. Obedu yeso so nani aka ha. Ohun glass buildings no ne niema kakra ka ho na ama nani aka ha. Nti nka obepese oni ye betena ha. But oba visit aka 1 month na ne visa na wu. Nti kwan ben so na obefa obetena ha. Ekwan no de manye eye bebre nti ye kase ye bebubo no nyina so I think say program we enkwa ntimi allow ye but yes yenu abai oso aba ha say wabenya ne dofo bi na one ne wo ho na yemfa ne say ekina bi nyinsan aba mu na owo fa no ho fa ne ba say akolai ne papa ye settled wo ha yenim say akolai obeba be ye British citizen eno so be ma ye ni abai kwan ama ono abetimi abaye British obetimi enya asesena wo kroma ebiso ana ode ne ho akobo ye empena bi a oba ye wanya sa empena yi ewo eba akola no a qualified person the qualified person no akola wo krom ha or ye settled or British passport or indefinite leave to remain and also say or your friend is saying EU settlement scheme 5 years residence card leave to remain. Omunyina no sesia no omo come under the definition of a qualifying child into eno so boa. In fact, even there is omo ebia enam na wofo so ntino anase because papa anase maame no ewo eye British child na there's another child ono no wo ebia 2.5 years omunyina no akwanya wo ho obetimi agina omo so de enya eye asesena ewo krom ha. So this is just but a few of the options obetimi explore. Apart from that, say if our intention be say or switch it to another category because meet the immigration status requirement, it will be very difficult for it to switch from being a visitor into a different category. As I say, call back to Ghana, no call apply no. But for instance, ebia wenya ekunu wa ha, but oniba omuni bibia wa omuntem. Nti opeso ware na oya application na. As I say, call back to Ghana na okoye sa application from Ghana na odeba back. Enye difficult. Aya na nkofo bebre suro se me call back na mansan ba. Well, ebejina sene watoto niema na wankasa wonkojina ba bi na wonya odema mranim ni a onim ni oya, you will go and then you will come back na bibia aye kama. So yes, this is what yenua by ebia obetimi afaso a obey. Apart from that, says skilled worker no kra na person ya again ni nyina no say come back and apply from your home country and come back. Say school now person okwa and also so say come back, apply and come back. Unless situation no there's bibi or ha said your ta friend no insurmountable enunti no ye kase kofi na koye na bra ebeye unduly harsh because there's bibi or ha abeye stumbling block say be home office for intimi kase court na sambra enye saa then I'm afraid you'd have to go apply and come back manye.
Yo, many other for one, so send your lawyer church now be said bibi.
So now another question I'm a person with this I say so we have this is how who can say oba obetimi register for GP na in case say we are real obetimi register for GP
registration in there I'm not sure lawyer bet church but I know say we are obetimi akọ GP on me show Enti no lawyer mpacho ono betumi acheche mu kakra ma no ansa na ma pickness law.
Yes, manye. Obia wo kroma as a visitor bia wo free amanone aba bia nye Ghana nko. Yes, we are entitled to primary health care. Inti utiya wo ya opeso ko GP. Yes, we are allowed. We funu ya wo ya opeso ko GP. Yes, we are allowed. E bia accident bia ba opeso ko accident and emergency we are allowed. Say omo ye bibia yes secondary. Say operation kese bi e bia wabaha tumi se nkofo a omuni nkrata obanyim wo ha na okowo a etoda ya hospitals mi wo no ma send bill because a normal no ye secondary a eno no enye bibia esese ye edeboa on the basis of human rights nti eno no ya ade a ebetimi ama ye de ka abrel. But apart from that, so we kruma as a visitor, yes, we are entitled even say obe register with a GP na ya ma GP number yebe ma one kasa o personal doctor a friend of family doctor no nti yebe kire say o doctor ni esimesi nti no on your data no it says doctor we na ya assign no to wo any wo family say oye lucky sometimes no bibi ni a ono na obekwa akohu no say bibi a entre so a obia betimi ehu including some of the nurses and healthcare workers or more practice omu nyina betimi ehu. But yes, it's very important say o kruma as a visitor ubetimi register with a GP surgery said be ya bibia ubetimi akọ GP and answer akọ hospital near show manye.
Okay mami ya da se why say we nya mo aye no
Yo, Pasha,
okay what's your program media yo lawyer Patrick won me pese be deviate free and topic is na ba o say GP registration so wo a no mo nso omo bisa o say kofa we bra enti na e man ko visitors ndodo ani suro say nyoma na GP ni be bisa ne say on famra ye we no oni bi so intercoba ne sa na ama ehun so abo but I think we've talked about this topic before. I'll request say another time on the program yebenya hona answer a person pensemo into details yo odofo wa homa so pacho o free near frozen
pacho me fresh London pacho from coffee
yo
pacho me bisoko chama eminya bako pacho no what 10 years route no so and I was 5 years route.
Okay.
Now I kind of 5 months now. In 5 years, need to have my man as 5 years route. Now when you have problem with when you like we plug a wordman into a jet sick leave a wordman. It debating a leasing by 3 months. And no, will be such a sick leave na plan we play with me na ayi we no so ko renew na some de na ko 10 years route no na because of when me financial na won no and loss partially me someone.
Oh, okay. Now say we proud there definitely our evidence near the idea be back anyway lawyer wa ha obe cheche mu e dey am lawyer Patrick Mpacho Adaroma yenua be me any question no.
Okay, yes manye. So in switching, no, there's no such thing as the financial requirement, Debbie. What you need to meet, no, adequate maintenance. The adequate maintenance, no, the actually say, uyu bia, ubetimi ashawo ho. Baby a wote no, uyu okay, ubetimi ashawo ho. Inti ano na ye but usually no say, oh yeah, juma, ubetimi de pay slips no sa niema no, edi actually say ampase utimi shawo ho. Yenu ya be my case very bibia meka say exceptional because wakwa ko pra wa adwuma enye say adwuma no wajaye we pra eno wofie nti we pray yes so why adwuma no so acha then it means obey entitled to either sick leave and answer bibia e kire say wofie nyina no yetua neka because of oyare nti sa sikani nyina no yes obetimi de adanse e de a kire say yes obetimi a maintain no ho ebi so a na empo owo off sick na ebi a onya aban sika kakrakra bi e de supporto de ebi adwumamfo etua no ni nyina no obetimi e de aka ho e de abom e de show say obetimi a maintain no ho adequately. I think say eno nko ane ade a obisa so I presume say ne dan okay bibia apart from maintenance financial maintenance no okay into or English level ni bibia obetimi dey apply. So if that is the case then yes, I'll go for the 5 years extension and then you'll be able to go through with that. Yes.
Okay. Yo, I'm say or the atoso that inteno. Yan fe obi was so but in patch dina so kakrama me na me mbo me message in we answer na
in between 5 years no. Me fan say me P60s and a pay slips be back requirement no. Now, say me see 5 years now. In between 5 years no. Me fan say me P60s and a pay slips be this the menya no na e dia da metimi dia replace na be chese 5 years na me work mu a second question here say o fele ayi ni wi a sa sentence na ya na ma wo koye bia biometric fingerprint ne se bia o ma check document na dia de no no ya na service ben pa no mo render e wo ho e bi say ba ku bia na me check no no my for the final figure na more charge you for service on random for that day. It must be £100. Say, oh, check it out now. Oh, glance it through. Go so much. I say, I provide extra service. We say, if you are scanning, it will be £45. And if you are open interpreter, another interpretation, it will be £65. So until the others are highlighted on, nothing more I don't know. Then what? I can't. £100 previous advance be a service now on the charge you know. Now I can no. To say me say so much charge you for £100 na say why anti kia na say bia one to that service bia service bena on me vendor amount for charge no I charge you.
Oh, okay.
You know what me that's
Yo, question no master kakra. Yo, Lawyer Patrick, audio na me di kan airborne call the fame no patch no until uti ni na CBA first one no say you bisa no any second one no services are biometric center for no more render no apart from the extra scanning and interpretation services no more the man patch to wait to me amano my kakra mame.
Okay, so the first question also I worried before and I was jai Unyani indefinite over 8 years in it. Yes, say Bibia okay, then it means or qualify for nationality. Into obetimi the British citizenship. Obetimi naturalization. Into yen shannon so I na do na feel say qualify so your amount passport straight away. No. Omon yes sir. It's say on naturalizing the amount certificate. Now the certificate no apply for passport. Those are the steps I say will take it to become naturalized and also be a British citizen. Great. And you know, so what worry no wajaya na worry dada no it's gone. Into an application and fair no. Yes, the form no may ask about the previous marriage. Yes, obey to me the details na share. But previous marriage, you know, it's got nothing to do with the naturalization now or you know. So what worry currently again obey to me the share. But it doesn't have anything to do with the naturalization. So when you are indefinite over 8 years ago, which is you are overqualified anyway, to wait me and apply to demonstrate so I will have for 5 years. No, if unya pieces in this mana because you move a brain now, be what to kakra, akoha, wafaha, obo documents na no na ebe brebi o na wapa ba na wato agu. Ebi ana sa na the case ntie. Yes, ubetimi amfrɛ ɛyɛ HMRC na oma brel the friend no employment history no. Ti omo the employment history ni ba. Ubemu se be breaking it down. Wadwuma wayɛ since a oba ha o hia asese wutua wo national insurance ni nyina no. Ebe wo saa ade no so ebe kyerɛ sɛ ampa sɛ o saa di pɛ watna ha. Enye no nko na betimi di akyerɛ. Bia na bia wankasa ba bia wote no na wutua wo cancel tax. Ubetimi di no so aka ho. Na unya wo pay slips 1 or 2 be the ka ho a. And also very helpful. Now, with the second question, no. So we call a year biometric center also we call Bowen Sanwa. And yet centers ni na a home office for no. Apart from baby I will call Akuhu a year oma a year service support center for a year crowding no. baby a aka ni nyina no omo ye agents UKV cars ena ne omo eye adwuma nti UKV cars for no ena home office for a contract wo say omo nye saa biometrics no emfa ma omo Soprasotera nti womo na ye saa adwuma no nti se wo kɔ hɔ a ebi wɔ hɔ a center na wo kɔ no they charge you to go to the center. So for instance yen as a firm BWF Solicitors si yen fa no say ye hɔ na wo ba be ye wo biometrics na ba na wo ba ye hɔ no because say you light bill ne saa ne man ntino firm no charge you ebi £100 to do the biometrics. That is outside of the charge. And yes, centers ni nyina no mo charge you. For instance, Croydon, ebi wo ha ubenya de ebe charge, ebi wo ha ubenya de free. Into sometimes so wo search here, ubetimi anya free one. And also say open in tema ubetimi etuaka na wa kwakoye. So the charger charge you to go to the center no to provide your biometrics no different from the other services now omo providing na oka ho asem no including interpretation so per ebia interpreter obetimi a church nsem di a kire wa eno no wo ho so person omo send you text message confirm niema eno so omo charge you so person omo scan wo documents no de ma wa eno so omo charge you nti we nyina your services are omo render you are not under any obligation whatsoever say ubitua for sa extra services no. So indeed wa ubetimi askane o documents e de ama home office for nti ukọ ho a de wu hia e wo passport ne obi a pese wo bia na wo de akọ na o maskane o ID documents no omu wi a na o ma submitted documents no e de akoma UKVI but senye sa na tie na untimi scan wo documents na then again you have to pay 45 to 50 pounds for them to scan the documents and give them back to you. So options are ewo ho a se wo pa ubetimi ato se wo mpa enye by force se wo search ya ubenya free appointment se wo mpa so se ube waste time na ube delay e bia wa priority service application o pese unya no instantly then again ubetimi atua for fee no na wakwa akobọ nsa no quickly na ye the decision about manye.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Say questions in banner, but by your phobia, man, so me man of kind of me share in Facebook, ni YouTube phone, so question kakra and momo. Into the 4-1, my son Patramo cover, Kafra said, I'm waiting as so I check. My aunt who baby, I will say free now, I feel bizarre question. Hey, now, man, with the area now, sign be saving.
I'm question for declaration. Declaration, patrol open here, and also 22 referees, me and also 20 back of there. Naturalization is referees, for declaration for referees. Yeah. And no, we are not all print here. On my print, normal, I'll fill it in normal sense. Upon so I give you out their details, meaning I agree. Now, I say, hey, and then all print it out now. And then also print me when I say, I'm open to back pen amount. So I'm printing me then on my back of it.
She said, "Oh, my bag of a senior, and now here. There was a person who beat his kind of pie to wow, you are there, which is good. I mean, that's why we give them education here for people to be independent. But Rabba often say, how so I know Kakra bet your lawyers, I am of a fair, and now can you? 18 no, laugh or send the no print here and about declaration no for referee no. Now I was saying you know and about.
Well, referees ni yemi no. Nti yes, as I say forms now we're completing and this is yemi no. Nti yes, the what printed that no. Wait me a photocopy of it, and then the other referee no will sign that. Yes, manye.
Kajun Pacho set and one. Yeah, that's what's your program, lady? Yeah, but when you're not why? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Your question back will be so mankind or the bread WhatsApp so. I say good morning, Magneti. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Please, as a EU national, can I get married with someone I have met in the UK for her to get her documents to stay? Karachi. Yeah, Embiana own time, but La Patrick be you are. Why? La Patrick.
Right. Okay. So the answer is a bit of a yes and no. Nti yɛnhwɛ yes no. Yes, sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔware obi a biribi anyway si wo ho kwan. Indeed, ɛyɛ human rights sɛ mmara no ma wo ho kwan sɛ wotumi ware. But as to say woware nipa no wie a wobɛtumi agye natena UK ha no, ɛno na yɛ the main point. Nti how? Okay, sɛ wo nipa yi a woyɛ EU ni a wote kurom ha yi, sɛ wowɔ ba a ɔyɛ a qualifying child a, then yes indeed, sɛ saa nipa korɔ no ɔni immigration status na ɛno nti no ɔntumi meet saa requirement na, then because akwala ɛwɔ mo ntɛm na obetumi akyerɛ sɛ ɔne saa akwala yi ɛne wo nyinaa mo wɔ family life no, then yes obetumi ayɛ application wɔ ha ama yɛama no ɛyɛ 2.5 years based on family life with you as EU national na. First of all, wowɔ asetena ɛwɔ kurom ha, wowɔ asetena wɔ kurom ha meaning sɛ wayɛ EU settlement scheme no ama yɛama status under the scheme into a relevant EA national. So that is the starters. Say akwala nimua, I'm afraid na saa nipa yi onyo bi a owo immigration status dada. Then indeed untimi nye saa application no ha. Ese se go back to home country na ko ye saa application no na ode ba ha no. Se enye saa na saa nipa yi yemfa ne se oye student or by as a student with year 4. But enwuye nti no person switch ya. Yes, obetimi aye saa switch no wa ha wa bra onko back to Ghana. So our skilled worker visa so again obetimi a switch. And I say bia na oye obi a oye dependent but sisi a person switching na oko eye FLIM route na sia again because so our visa no say enwu ya obetimi aswitch. So manye winning the dynamics now say yenua no or consider in terms of whether so obetimi aye application wa ha na say ontimi nye no ha, but because oye EU ni so wasetena wo krom ha yes obetimi aware but nipa na ode bua no amana tena ha no esese yehu say edien asetena na wo krom ha say oni hwe na mabia ni ma I'm afraid as so called Ghana no koye no ba.
Yo, La Patrick, that's so don't for one maso. Kafra, why? My auntie baby, I'll say free na afidie. Umbisa was. Okay. But your page our voice, Kakrama, why?
Yo, Pacho, may more 2.5 years now. Me renew no January 17th this year. And I'm a woman, 23rd. February 2022 year still the sun can be an observer if you want a manata
say oh the can share fitting fiatiana ka lawyer HH some of the delays na abano kwanya enti abasa reba no oma put measurements down or might be a new department try to deal with all these delays. Inti kakra baba my name say Lawyer Patrick Beck can be being so at their family the amount yeah. Lawyer Patrick in Pacho or be some about delay.
Okay, Inti Pacho also your application at that bank.
17th January 2022 this year.
17th January 2022. Inti on what basis now your application in Pacho?
Pacho say
oh yeah, no kwan ben so on what basis? Ujina or yereso, ujina or maso kwan ben so. Renewal of the on what basis, Mbacho?
2.5 no occurring.
Okay, into previous 2.5 no na ujina den so na unya ya. Ujina wo baso na unya ya. Okay, great. Into still an uda so ujina wo ma so na wo de Mpacho. Oni nkwala no tia na oni omonte.
Yenyina yete.
Munyina mote faako. But you mainly based on nkwala as a parent. Okay. So sana tier there. Also why your application since January. Wakoba unsano February. And I also won't tell you. Okay, usually so we application now ko bo nsa no a. Na saying home office for omo ntro letter enka say ye nsa ka application no ye ho adwuma. No. Ukobo nsa no a, that is the end of the story. Process for consideration no started from there. Now, there's been changes. Ya kan ho asem. Say home office for aye nhihye a o masesa mo policy no. Nti no wa wo ye application based on family life as a parent biya no. Wo application no at least ese o ma ho 11 months. Edeko. Unless e bia bibi wo ho. But say bibi ani ho a ese o ma ho.
Oh, hold on 1 second, mommy. Why? Pato, can you mute the and I say lower baby? I would see a program if you know. Am I a feedback? Why? Okay, yo, let's see a free phone. Me that's it. La patch pacho. Sorry, wait me at us.
Okay. Nti yes, sir, ujina o baso na ye ya. Either say direct access or mo nyina mo wo fie ba ko na wa ye no. Esesa o ma wo ho 11 months going. Ebetimi abrosa. This is what the Home Office is said. Omo de asesa omo policy no. Enye omo nko a, mo amoye applications on the basis of my private life. I will krum ha 20 years. Into based on that 20 years unlawful residence no. Why application? Application no ebetimi awo ho for 11 months onwards. Unless bibi potin bi wa brabo ma and into no obepese omo be expedite sa application no. I think say adia ya boso empen bebre e platform yi so. Yetimi achichi mu am ye hu say same bia yemfa no say why your application you o twen emaye na unfortunately wenya ayie bi ntina esese wokọ ubetimi agina so e de apa home office Chelsea enu ntino omonye nhihye na omun decide wa application in terms de be ya ubetimi akọ ebi so a na okope ayaresa e wokru foforo so nti ubehia se ombe make decision ne nyina no ye kwan a ubetimi afa so ebisa home office ama omo expedite application no ama. Failing that, I'm afraid you would have to wait at least 11 months onwards and sana ubetimi decision. It doesn't necessarily mean say ubetwen sa 11 months no. It may be say you be one of the lucky few ebetimi akoto case worker or person oye neman tentem or hwe neman ni ma no make a decision. But enye sa na ti a the omode ato ho no 11 months eko. Sasana odi anitia na chese esesa wo hye no nso sa.
Yes, so nyame insha yedasi. So I share program media. Yo, yedasi. Why? Afe yenhwe yenuanum na omaba Facebook no yedi kan de nchia kese ema mo nyina ansa. Na najima ye chiawo mami efua osi hi family greetings ye chiawo pa yenso ye so Rebecca Owusumensa ye dus ye san e chiawo Victoria efua komsin ye so ye can be saying Collins Kwabena also so ye so ye nuaba secretary papa bi employee of the month, Sandra Fraser. Congratulations, why dear Bomodia Kososana Bujuma na Ejumania Konana TV. I mean, show. About Sandra Fraser, all the information that you require to contact BWF Solicitors for anything. Lawyers, all the lawyers' numbers are on board. Where to find them. Nina egu. So if you're on the Facebook or the YouTube now, information in Sandra Fraser communication na say intino Sandra da say first of all and so basu good morning ye jo so Colin Kwabena ye jo so Nana Uti ye jo so Mami ya ejewa ye jo so na mami ejewa the question be about ye question no na area ne pako dina so na fe me bisa no question o see manye my question is a friend wants to bring her husband to the UK. Her monthly salary varies each month, but if she adds them together, it's half of the 18,600 and the UK VI required or does she need to earn 1,550 each month to qualify? Oh, mommy. Yeah, wait there. And say, oh, I didn't know 18 now. And I don't know. And he also you of Falco. And I love what you're going to be come on.
So yes, I think majority of the times no. I na nkofo bebree feel say you can 18,006 now. E sika ese that account mu pacho debi. Enye sika ese wo account mu. Na emom e sika ese wo kire se wo ye adwuma afenimu nyina na yitua wo car. By the end of saa year no, unya at least 18,600. And only sika unya. Inti si efa 18,600 na ye chemu a. Ebema ye 9,300. Inti yemfa ne say you put together o pay slips for the last 6 months. Wa ye adwuma at least esisi enya ye kan nyina aboma ye nya 9,300. Eno na ye hwe. Inti se obetimi a kire sa dia. Then yes indeed. Obemiti sa 80,600 financial requirements no. Now we P60 for the previous year no e dey aka ho. O dey ka ho a then obetimi dey akire say umiti and say umiti. Usually a gross no na ye hwe enye net no. The gross no na o dey tabulation no dey ahwe say umiti a manya.
Yo, into mommy, question and on just say, oh boy, kakra, because no be an away you back to manage that enough. Will be or yet you might bear for may catch up oh Danny. Ain't in now or yet you may yet legical Tiani and Utia, whatever it is no. Yet in our boom gross now, or be pro more than 18 and bone cry. And a lawyer teach him or chimu the 6 months period now near calculating now. It should be equivalent to the yen 1 year no. Why? Other for one must so, but your cafras within us watch my enton, how can I friend?
Maya, good morning.
Good morning.
Lawyer, good morning. But my question is say, me wo akra 2 months.
Okay.
Na me wo na sana ninya me settle status no. Na me pese me prepare free monthly I was say me pese me koshi.
Okay.
Na next year.
Okay.
And February na me ko. Na me file form MN1 no. Section 1-3 no.
Okay.
Na me pese me bisa say me just application na indanya university me be on my appointment this month me yet application na me book ni betimi aba before ye kwa na say omo want to say if you at that point mom betimi ama me e bia travel permit bia na say bia me fi na ko ana
you
person so na betimi aba
meaning say chance and chasa, but lawyer be you and I told you things documents to do with home office need time in it you know. Na lawyers no money who to me say chaburu so a na now mo to one among say ade afedi achadodo na ya throw letter na yichisia. But you will omo to make us say this application or say within 3 weeks and now 1 month no one second. Sometimes no no kre won saka ebi nso a na delay aba enti lawyer pacho obetimi a cheche mami o se o ne ba no na omonkohwe o mo papa na come from now application na until February no is there any possibility say na nsa ka akra ne book and sana o mako akwantu no pacho say no na masmaraze no
me pacho
enti lawyer pacho betimi eyi ano kakra yemre ni kra so.
Right, okay, so yes, I think so. Oyeni BBA ye na very efficient, effective. There's a likelihood say obetimi enya BBA before then. Now what me enya passport no e dey akọ. Yes, even though you face delays with other applications, you know. Yes, registration of a child, say we put two BBR together, decision, a turnaround period of maybe let's say 3 weeks, 6 weeks the max. Then an ono bar why or passport application for Aqualano again. Even though I'm saying almost delays, but I've seen instances decision within a week or two. So it is possible, say, obetimi enya results ama Aqualano and Sano ako February no manya.
Okay. Mommy, that's it. Why?
Pacho, one more question.
Hey.
Me PLP.
Okay, cousin.
We not quite say and now so we saw questions. Me PLP no. So me were old one now. It be wood next year. Next year June, more say July. Make me there to quiet harbor and I said just say me apply for.
La Patrick, hey, young man, so you.
Okay. Until Ubia Pino is still valid. Until say any renewal now okoya, then you can still travel on the old BRP no. Now they are called. But bear in mind, say on kotena ho ema okado no enwu ansa na waba. As I say utimi ba na obeye renewal no ansa na okado na wu. So that is BBI as I say wo share so say wo kwa.
Akosia apia me da se why ni efutu no next time me yenisa na mo question na odi buy no na emre emma ye ho kwan na yentumi mbisa I hope say how dear nyame adom ochina isra mo me fa call bi nyame adom a ochina the community and the law neighbor so it no me personally me do question local koma yenu abema oreku from pon na we bisa ewo ohonom ibenya resources nienu see ya na yetumi epentin mo question so e dey ama why nti fa che me say me say enye wo de ba fa che me yemre ye di mre na ye dwuma na mre so aso clients eti ho train lawyers na omonko to amodwuma so nti lawyer we dey Deborah I thank you so much for coming lawyer e beda was so say ye to nsafre wo to me ba be cheche mo na you say question dey brain na e wo hostel even ya ba me phone so kra e do so but every my kwan odofo a wo frɛ we dey miss so we need you mo why Miss Rani Dio, me fa call behavior, me fa call behavior. It's like Patrick. I'm cry. Then I would be giants, and I am sorry and also.
Right. So, Manye, thank you very much. I think it's been another wonderful section with yourself and the rest of the community listening to us. So, as we're wrapping up, I would like to, obviously, we've introduced her already from the beginning of the show, but I would like to once again formally introduce our affable, delectable, super intelligent and competent, up-and-coming lawyer who is with BWF Solicitors to give up a summary of what we've discussed this morning in Tree. And so, ladies and gentlemen, if you're all ready, I present to you Lady Deborah Adu.
Okay, so today we have discussed would I have to inform the Home Office about any changes or information in my circumstances and what we need to report, the changes we need to report, how we should do it, and the effects of not doing so. So yes, if you have a BRP card or a BRC, or you have made an application for a BRP card or a BRC and a decision has not yet arrived and there are changes in your circumstances, you will need to inform the Home Office. For example, if you change your address, you will need to inform the Home Office. There are situations where you would need to apply for a new BRP card where there's been so for example, where there's been a change of name, if you have changed your name, if you have changed your facial appearance, if you have changed your nationality, if you have changed your gender, you would need to make a new application and inform the Home Office about this change. You also need to inform the Home Office if you have been convicted of a criminal offence or if you have any dependents, so any children. And you can do this change by going on the gov.uk/change of circumstances/BRP to make these changes, or you can inform your lawyer, who can also assist you with the changes. Some of the implications of not informing the Home Office of these changes are, for example, if you've made an application and you're waiting for your BRP card, but you have not informed them of your change of address, they may send your BRP card to a different address, and then you may lose it, and then you would have to start the processes all over again. So it's really important that you inform the Home Office of any changes to do with your situation, to do with your circumstances, so that they are aware and that you will not encounter any problems going forward. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much. I think she has explained everything into details, but in a very summary way and as shortest possible way. Into senior work and sanet here. Although for now, keep on calling me. So we need demo. Now me say time as something. I couldn't have picked your call. Messro, Nyame had much now. The community and the law ever so. Yem ohono yinyamre no bebre chen ene. The question that you have that wakoma so no fabra ohono nyame admochna 4 to 6 p.m. Saturday ochna 5th November ebedi ehun komo ewo honum e de amount. However, omonso ana main to me free ana mankin kan mu messages ni nyina so misrem mo fan cheni sa so nyame admochna me de call the community and the law na yebisa wo honum to make a date with us na ti uti a obenya mwaye no e wo honum ti ochina bomodi an ti ye share pe no wa share sa nso na oba so a mombo modi ana mon share program na community na enquetry emanye nye de bia na nkwa na wadi afa enye fine uhu say ya share pe na so wa share amaye se ne be ya obi nso benya ho emfaso nyame nshira ye nyina nyame ya adoma ochina have a very lovely weekend. Sunday, Magneti Bebaso Nini show. Sometimes we might be able to talk a few bit about some of these things and also make a date with us and California woman on apart from that, Nadia Meka said I said Yamea Domina Yesumbaya Evesensia next week. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.